Alright, here we are back in Kakariko Village. My favorite village. Probably. Anyways, just keep on heading north. And you're gonna hang a left at the bomb shop. And you're gonna buy some bombs in the bomb shop. But you don't have a bomb bag yet. So, you're gonna buy a bomb bag in the bomb shop and fill it with bombs.
Oh.
You got that? Pretty easy. So now that you have some sweet bombs, we can access some new areas and get some new heart pieces, and it's gonna be a super sweet adventure. Alright, before we start blowing stuff up though, you wanna ride this big guy to the top of the building.
Oh. Oh.
And then just keep heading up. And when you get to the top of the path, you can either ride the second Goron even higher, or you can go inside and go up the ladders. But you have to wander around like an idiot before you can start climbing the ladders, otherwise it won't work. Seriously. Alright, once you get up here, you can get these rupees and start making your money back from that bomb purchase. Or if you rode the Goron up, you can just go in this door, get the rupees, and go back out the door. And then keep heading up this ladder to the tippy top. And your assistance is requested for some bow and arrow lessons, so if you give them, it'll be worth your while. Alright, so the first two targets are pretty simple. Alright, so for this one it's a little harder. You just want to aim at the upper right hand corner of that building up there. And just shoot until it gets close and hits. Eventually you should get it. Alright, now that you got that piece of heart, you're going to want to head over to the left of the spring and bomb it open. once you bomb that open, you're gonna want to head inside, and this passage will take you to the back of the spring, where you can use your boots to dive down for a sunken chest. Okay, after you get that heart, just try to get to the surface before you drown, and head back out to the front of the spring. Alright, and then you want to look to the southeast up on these cliffs, and you should see some boulders sitting up there. And you want to equip some bomb arrows so you can bomb that. Once you blow it up, you'll see a heart piece, and you just want to use your Gale Boomerang to get it down. And then, once you snag it, just hop back on Epona and head up to Death Mountain.